This is the family-size collapsible microwave steamer bowl with a lid and a tray insert. It's BPA-free, non-toxic, platinum-grade silicone, waterproof and dishwasher safe. This super fast family serving size bowl is 13.5 by 9.25 inches, giving you an 8-cup capacity. The EcoVent microwave steamer tray insert keeps your liquids and veggies separated to deliver the divine crispness you want for your meal. And you can use it from 480 degrees Fahrenheit to sub-zero temperatures, making this steamer 100% microwave, sub-zero freezer and dishwasher safe. The silicone bowl won't stain, yellow, melt, kink or deform no matter what you cook inside or how far you take it on your travels. And when you are done, it collapses down as a fantastic space saver in the kitchen. Look at that, all the way down to not taking up any space at all, yet pops up nice and easily for you to be able to steam all your veggies ready for the family meal. It's very cool. Comes with a quick little instruction here. Expand your bowl and add 3 tablespoons of water. Insert the steamer tray, add your veggies, cover with the lid, cook for 5 to 7 minutes for your desired of cookedness, and then add seasoning if desired. That easy.